Hello everybody, good morning. It is, what time is it? It's like 10:35 Pacific Standard Time on Friday. I love Fridays. Fridays are the best because the end of the week, that usually means that my hubby is going to be off for the weekend. Sometimes he ends up a lot having to work on the weekends, but usually he's off. And that means hi Karen, hi Kathy, and that also means that I get to go meet up with my girlfriends around noonish, and I have a glass of wine and a beautiful yummy lunch at our favorite winery. So I live in Northern California at the foot of the Shenandoah vineyards, and so we are surrounded by gorgeous vineyards and wineries, and a lot of them serve food, and we just have a great time every Friday. We try to get together. There are some Fridays we miss, but for the most part we try to get together. So I'm popping on here this morning just really quick because I wanted to talk about two things. One is that the new catalog is being released. So this is what the front of it looks like. I don't have the front of it because I didn't get to go to on stage. But everybody at this point that has a catalog has probably shown you the front page. That's totally fine for us demonstrators to do. We just can't show you the inside of it. But that being said, it is that time of year where I start gearing up and getting ready to mail out all my catalogs to everybody around the United States that orders from me. So it's a very exciting time of the year for me, and it's very busy. There's a lot going on. So this year I decided that instead of just mass mailing a whole bunch of catalogs, two things are going to happen. One is that anybody who ordered from me during Celebration from January to March, you're just going to get a catalog in the mail for free from me, no cost to you. It'll just show up at your doorstep. So you don't have to worry about doing anything to get your hands on a new catalog. However, if you haven't ordered from me in the last 3 months and you need a new catalog or want one, you have a couple of options. You can either place an order with me and fill out the request form that is linked in this video description, or you can just request one and then choose to pay shipping on that catalog if you are not interested in placing an order. So I do ask, if you already have another demonstrator, please don't request a catalog in addition to the one you'll get from your demonstrator, and order from that person because that's important. And if you need a new catalog, or if you're new to Stampin' Up! Or any of that, you can contact me through that catalog order form. So the catalog order form is linked to this video description, so you can get one of those. So this is how catalogs work. I will get all the catalogs shipped to me in... No, this is not how it's working this year. That's how I've done it every other year. I'm doing it different this year. So I'm sending letters out to everybody who's getting a catalog. And then I'm going to have Stampin' Up! Ship the catalogs directly to you. So you should be expecting a letter in the mail from me confirming that you're going to get a catalog. And then you're going to eventually get a catalog from Stampin' Up! They are mailing their catalogs out May 8th. So you can expect to see them in your mailbox sometime between probably May 12th and May 25th would be my guess. So they'll begin the process of mailing out catalogs May 8th. So I am going to just have Stampin' Up! Ship them for me this time rather than me shipping them myself. And I'm going to be sending you a letter in the mail letting you know that you're getting one. And it's going to have a special offer in the letter. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that. So this is the catalog. It's so beautiful, and it will be being sent out in May. Okay, the other thing I wanted to share really quick is I wanted to explain and share that you can get the Share What You Love bundle, which I'm going to show you some of the goodies from it. Look at this beautiful ribbon. It's a velvet rich raspberry ribbon. It's very pretty. And the embossing folder. Look at, isn't that gorgeous? And I even have a sample I could show you. I made a card already. And these are pearlized doilies. And then I've got some artisan, they're called Share What You Love Artisan Pearls. And they're all different colors. And they kind of have a pearlescent look to them. And then there's this super cute embellishment kit that has our statement of the heart on the front of it. And it's got some little embellishments inside, twine and stuff like that. There's this awesome stamp set. And this one, which is our statement of the heart. And then there's this one, which is also really cute. And then these are the new in colors, which I have just had the best time ever playing with these already. So I'll show you, they're all stamped. I've already stamped them here. So if you want to get your hands on this stuff now, you can purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit and become a member of my team. And then you'll get 20% off all of your orders in the future. So it's really the best deal for your money because you get to choose $125 in product, but you only pay $99, and the shipping is free on the starter kit. And then your orders are 20% off thereafter when you're placing an order, which is great because in May, we're going to be able to pre-order from the new catalog. So you'll also get to do that if you're a demonstrator. A lot of people ask me, well, if I'm a demonstrator, does that mean I have to do what you do? Or does that mean I have to host parties or workshops? Do I have to attend meetings? The answer is no, 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 no. You don't have to do any of those things. You can simply choose to purchase the starter kit and enjoy the 20% discount. And that's it. And you can be part of our exclusive Facebook group. We have a lot of fun stuff that goes on there. Like challenges and prize patrols and giveaways, and we do a monthly creative rally event. So you can be part of all of that when you purchase the starter kit as well. So if you have questions about that, you can leave it in the comment, or you can sign up. If you go to my website, you can purchase the starter kit and click join my team, and then you can purchase it there, and you can get these items in the starter kit. Okay, we have a couple of comments and questions. Therese says she loves my hair. Thank you, Therese. Kathy says, if you do it as just a hobby, can you go to on stage? Yes, absolutely. You can go to on stage if you're doing it as a hobby, which our next on stage event is in Orlando, Florida, November 8th through the 11th, I think it is, or 9th through the 11th. But it's in the beginning of November, beginning to middle of November, and I will definitely be in Orlando. That's going to be super exciting. I have several team members that are attending, and we all get together and we have so much fun. We went to Salt Lake City last November and there was 13 of us, and we went out to dinner and had fun stamping together and looking at the new occasions catalog, because that's another fun thing. When you attend on stage, you get the occasions catalog before anybody else. So we'll get that in November as well. So that's exciting. More questions. Rhonda says, where's the puppy? That's all anybody cares about. Where's the puppy? She's right here. She's sleeping. I'll show her to you. I just woke her up. Look. She's not a big fan of being woke up. Are you, Truby? She just kind of like looks around. She just got shots too. We just got home from the vet. And she had a rabies and a lepto shot. So it says, do you have to be a silver to go to the one in Florida? Fran asked that. No, you don't. Anybody can go to the onstage events. You have to be a silver elite to go to the center stage event, which is a special event that is part of onstage. But it's just a small 3-hour, 4-hour evening for the leaders. But anybody can attend on stage. Anybody. So you don't have to. I'm going to put her down because she's heavy. She's going to go back to sleep. So no, you don't have to be a silver. Thank you. Everybody's saying she's so cute. Of course, she is adorable. We love her. She's a stinker though. She makes us tired. Oh, hey, Gina. I haven't talked to Gina or seen her in a while. She's one of my team members. So, yeah, so that's the scoop with On Stage. You guys have some great questions. And about being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, it's been great for me. I love it. I started out doing this just as a hobby. That's when I started. I simply wanted the discount on product. And because I already crafted, I already did things, paper crafty things. So I just wanted the discount on the product. It's kind of like shopping at Sam's Club or Costco. You know, we purchase those memberships to Sam's Club or Costco so that we can then shop at a discount. It's kind of the same principle with Stampin' Up. You purchase the starter kit and then that gives you the ability to shop at a discount. And and then from there, what you want to do with it is totally up to you. Denise says, I'm just getting home from the gym. Glad to catch you. Good job going to the gym, Denise. Okay, so what I was telling you about with the Share the Love and the new in colors is you can get those in your starter kit now. So if you wanted to get your hands on the new in colors, which are beautiful, and the stamp pads are new, they're different. So I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they open, like if you just pull it, well, this is kind of an awkward way to show you, but if you just pull it, it opens like this, and then it slides into place. And then there you have it. And then look, there's this cool little strip you put on the inside so that you know what color you're stamping in when you open the stamp pad. Versus before, when your stamp pads were open, you always had to make sure they were turned this way facing you so that you knew what color you were stamping in. So now you've got it right here at the top, which is really, really cool. So I love that. And they are a little tight. The sliding mechanism is a little tight. So I've been told by Stampin' Up that it won't stay that way. The more you use them, it will loosen up and it won't be like that. But then you just snap it shut. So, and I really love that they stack. They stack together and they're connected kind of. They have little trivets on the bottom on one and then little indentations on the top of the other. So they stack and lock into place, which is really nice. So if you wanted to get your hands on all the new in colors, you could do that now and do it by purchasing the starter kit. If you want all these goodies, you can always wait till May 2nd. Also, if you don't want to purchase the starter kit, which I don't know if you're placing orders anyway, I don't know why you wouldn't want to, because you get 20% off. So that's that. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an awesome day and a wonderful weekend. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll be watching it on Wednesday. So for me going live right now, we're going live here on Friday on Facebook. Make sure you follow me on Facebook because I go live and you get information a little bit sooner than you do on YouTube. So thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Again, to request a catalog from me, that link is in my description. To purchase the starter kit, you can go to my website at loveandstampin.com, click on Join My Team, and purchase the starter kit there. And you can find the item numbers for all these things on my Facebook, or you can message me and I can give you the item numbers for these products so that you can put them into your starter kit. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a little while today, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.